Good morning, Jane Mott, MK, and following on from my clip yesterday, I'm going to show you how to defy the heat and humidity using the Mary Kay translucent powder, which I like to call translucent setting powder. So if you would prefer to do this with a setting powder, yesterday I did it with a finishing spray, here's how. So I'm going to start with Mary Kay Foundation Primer. This also contains SPF 15. The Mary Kay Day Solution has SPF, within the Miracle Set has SPF 30. So a small pea or large grain of rice, and just gently smooth that. And I'm putting that across my eyelids as well. It's clear, you can't see it. Even if you're not wearing foundation, this is a great product to wear every day because it gives you that protection against the elements, pollution, free radicals. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of the translucent powder. So it's got like a talcum powder lid. So I've just turned it, tipped a little bit into the top. That's probably a little bit too much. And I'm just going to swirl my mineral powder brush. And yes, I'm putting the setting powder on straight over my primer before my foundation. Then I'm going to use the Mary Kay Time Wise Liquid Foundation, and equally you could use a mineral powder foundation next if you wish, if you're not a liquid fan. And again, I'm going to apply it with a brush. And Mary Kay have got a great new liquid foundation brush. Very similar to our mineral powder foundation brush, but like this brush, dense and slanted, which is brilliant for putting on your liquid foundation. So I'm very excited to try that. That comes out on the 16th of July. Downward strokes just to get the hairs. I'm finishing with downward strokes just to get the hairs on my face lying flat. I'm then going to use some Mary Kay eye primer, and I'm actually going to put this over my eyelids and on my dark circles. I'm going to rub it in my eyebrows because I'm going to put some eyebrow pencil or matte eyeshadow into that just to fill in the gaps. Then I'm going to take my under eye corrector, which is the peach tone, to neutralise the dark bluish purple circles. This is actually a waterproof formula, so it is really, you can do it with a brush, but equally you can just stipple it and blend it with your ring finger fingertip. Your ring finger has the lightest pressure, and the skin around the eye is very delicate, 5 times more delicate than the rest of your face. Now I'm going back to my translucent setting powder, and again, mineral powder brush, little mini circles, no pressure, just lightly swirl it and then lightly swirl onto the face, over the eyes. And this does not change the colour of your foundation because it's translucent. Now, if you were using the mineral powder foundation, you can still use the translucent setting powder underneath it and or over the top, and with the powder always finish going down to just smooth. And now I'm ready to, as I say, pencil in my eyebrows, put my cheek colour on. Obviously if you were contouring with your foundation, you can do that before your setting lotion as well, and any other colour products